Good evening, everyone. My name is Anshuman Raj, and on behalf of my team, I am presenting you the AI project, which is FSRO Modified Optimization Algorithm. So, we took a nature inspired optimization algorithm and we racked our brains and we gave much thinking about how we should optimize this particular algorithm, and we came up with a solution which I'll be presenting today. First of all, I'll show you the original code of FSRO algorithm. And while the iterations run, I'll explain what the particular optimization algorithm is. So, this is FSRO original code, and FSRO is a nature-inspired meta-heuristic algorithm, meaning it is not particularly made for a particular type of problems. It should be, and it could be uh, applied to any general real world problem. For example, speed reducer problem or uh, vessel design problem, but uh, as you will see in our convergence curves and the comparisons with the other pre-existing algorithms like GWO and other algorithms. The convergence rate is very slow. First of all, the convergence is not also very significant, and the reasons for that is that FSRO actually works very well for very less number of variables, less dimensions, and also it takes a large number of iterations to reach a significant result. Now, why this might pose a challenge for it to be used in real world applications? Well, we do not have very much computation power in the real world problems. So we want to we obviously want speed. We want faster solutions. We want faster innovations. We to get our optimized results faster. So taking large number of iterations obviously would not help. As you can see, the uh, when I plot when I move my cursor towards the star, the solution we reached from FSR original algorithm is like 0.04 and 0.16. So obviously, which is not very significant, and mind you, this is only with the two variable case. So obviously when I increase the number of dimensions, the challenge increases exponentially, and uh, the original algorithm does not perform very well. So we introduce some modification to it. You'll see the convergence curve. It almost reaches zero, but it is still not very significant solution, because in obviously in the market, in the CSC market and research institutes, very various great optimization algorithms have been made and are continuously being made, and uh, this would not survive in that scenario. So we tried our modification algorithm. We made some changes. You will see that in the code. The code will be provided in the GitHub repository for you to analyze. Uh, we have added comments here so that you can understand how the original idea was used here, and how the modification has been done. So one major thing you'll see here is random initialization of solutions, which is partial initialization, but it would be better if I show you the video. Okay, so the convergence curve starts like this. Uh, you'll see that in very few number of iterations, we have crossed what the original FSRO algorithm reached in 500 iterations, right? So obviously this will go down as the number of iterations increase, but I guess 300 iterations should be baseline for any uh, optimization algorithms, and I've used that only to compare various optimization algorithms, and I've stopped at that point. But here you can see the convergence rate is very fast. It converges to a very good solution in very less number of iterations relatively. And you'll also see in our claim report that uh, how much uh, how much the uh, how much the result is effective and significant. So uh, you might ask why the agents are there even though the search process has ended. So this was due to the fact that random initializations, and these agents simply needed a few more iterations to reach to the global optimum. And global optimum here is obviously very very low value. You can see that here it is 10 to the power minus 7, which is a very significant and very fascinating result. Well, fascinating for us, definitely, because the result is what we desired to get, and our algorithm worked fine. So we also tried it on uh, various other real world problems, and those problems would be here, and you might be familiar with these problems. These are the curves. FSRO modified. FSRO modified will be here, visible here, and you can see all these results in the claim report and the research report we have made, which will be provided in the YouTube video description. And yeah, and I'll also provide the GitHub repository link. You can see the code. You can obviously uh, tell if we have made any mistake, and I really welcome any and all suggestions, so that we might be able to optimize it even further, and later we might be able to publish this particular modification. And I hope that we'll be able to achieve that in the coming days, in the coming months. So uh, I guess this was it for my presentation. I hope you liked it. Uh, Regarding any suggestions, obviously the comment section is open. I'll welcome any comments, and uh, I hope that we all of us continue to grow and learn various things. So, thank you.